Hello friend, today we are discuss the topic of types of demand. First, what is the demand? Simply demand means the various quantities of a given commodity or a service which consumer would buy in one market in a given period of time at various prices or at various incomes or at various prices of related goods. Simply demand means willingness to ability to pay means demand. Next one is the types of demand. First is a price demand, then income demand, cross demand, direct demand, derived demand or indirect demand, joint demand or composite demand. First is the what is the price demand? Simply price demand refers to the various quantities of commodity or service that consumer would purchase at a given time in a market at various hypothetical prices. It means simply means it is assume that other things such a consumer's income, its taste and price related of goods remains unchanged. Then second one is the income demand. Income demands refers to the various quantities of goods and services which would be purchased by the consumer at various levels of incomes. Next one is the cross demand. The concept of the cross demand means the quantities of good or service which will purchase with reference to changes in the price not of these goods but of other related goods. Simply means these goods are either substituted or complementary from one good to another goods. A change, for example, a change in price of tea will affect demand of coffee. Next is the direct demand means commodities or services which satisfy our wants directly are said to have direct demand. For example, all consumer goods satisfy our wants directly, so they are said to have direct demands. Next one is the derived demands is also known as indirect demand means the commodities or services demanded for producing goods which satisfy our wants directly said to have derived demand. For example, demand for a factor of production, say labor, is a derived demand because labor is demanded to help in the construction of houses which will directly satisfy consumer demands. This the demand for labor which helps us making house in a case of indirect or derived demands means the demand for labor is called derived demand because its demand is derived from the demand of a house. Next one is the joint demand. Joint demand means in a finished product, as in case of bread, there is need for so many things. The services of the flour mill, oven, fuel, the demand for them is called joint demands. Similarly, for the construction of a house, we require land, labor, capital, organization, and material like cement, bricks, lime, etc. The demand for them is called as joint demand. Next one is the composite demands. The commodity said to have a composite demand when its use is made in more than one purpose. For example, the demand for coal is composite demand as a coal has many uses as a fuel for boiler of a factory, for domestic fuel, for oven for steam making in a railway engine is the composite demand. Thank you.